Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy dipping sauce. First, prioritize fresh, whole ingredients to build a flavorful foundation. Opt for lighter bases such as plain Greek yogurt or creamy hummus to keep calorie counts down. Enhance your sauces with a variety of fresh herbs and aromatic spices, which add significant flavor without extra fat. This approach ensures your dips are both delicious and nutritious, perfect for any snack or meal. Let's create a refreshing zesty yogurt dip. Start by combining 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt with the juice of half a lemon in a small bowl. Next, finely chop 1 tablespoon of fresh dill and mince 1 clove of garlic, then stir them into the yogurt mixture. Add a small pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined, then cover and chill for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Now, for a savory and slightly spicy option, let's make a hummus-based dip. Drain and rinse 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, then combine them in a food processor with 2 tablespoons of tahini and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add half a cup of roasted red peppers and a dash of smoked paprika for a warm, smoky flavor. Blend until smooth, adding a few tablespoons of water as needed to achieve your desired creamy consistency. This dip is fantastic with crunchy vegetables. To keep your healthy dipping sauce journey exciting, always experiment with different vegetables and flavor combinations. Don't be afraid to try new herbs or spices to discover unique tastes. For best freshness, store your homemade dips in airtight containers in the refrigerator, where they will typically last for up to 5 days. And speaking of staying fresh, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated and healthy throughout your day. Enjoy your delicious, nutritious dips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.